Hi Dressed Cuties, Whitney here. Today we draw a cool slice of watermelon. So let's get started. To draw this silly watermelon, let's first start by drawing the sunglasses. So I'm going to start right here on the bridge right here with a little curve. And then I'm going to thicken that up. So 2 curves right here. And then we're going to go out. And I'm just going to create and draw this very simple pair of sunglasses. So about right here, draw the end, bring it in, and let's do the same thing over here. So this is just meant to inspire you. You can draw whatever shape sunglasses you want. About right there is about the same length, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the ends right there. So now that I have that shape, let's go ahead and connect it. So I'm going to come right here and just make it a full sunglass, and the same thing over here. There. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and thicken this up. And I'm going to come in here and just put in a highlight. So I'll just draw this little bubbly shape right by here. And then I'm just going to quickly shade this all in so you can see it a little bit better. And it'll look nice and cool. So of course this drawing is getting ready for summer. So definitely planning to draw a lot of summer art for you again. I may put a little highlight there as well. Okay, there. You know what? I'm just going to fill this in. Looks kind of weird. Okay, so now that we have our cool pair of sunglasses, then let's draw our watermelon. So I'm going to go back to the center and I'm going to go straight up to say about this high. So I'll just give myself a point, and using that as my guide, I'm just going to draw this little soft line right there, and then I'm going to bring down this angle line to create the top triangular shape. So let's bring this down. Let's round this part off for our tip. And do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now that we have that, let's continue this out. So just imagine it's going through the sunglasses. And about right here, it's going to pop out. Say about right there. Same thing on the other side. And we want it in about the same height on the other side. So say about right there. Then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with this big curve at the bottom. Nice and round. So let's say about right here is our center. Now we're going to go back up to hit this point right here. Okay, so now that we have this nice triangular shape in, let's come back to say about right here. And I'm going to drag this across so it just makes it easier for me to see where I'm going. And I'm going to draw another curve, basically following my bottom for the rind. And I'm not going to draw all the layers with my Sharpie. I'll just do that when I'm coloring. It's a lot easier without me messing it up too much with this black color here. but you definitely want to go dark green and then light green. Just gets lighter with some white in there too. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw a cute little mouth. So let's say about right here, in between the glasses, I'm going to draw a curve going up. And you can leave it like that, nice and cool if you want. Or you can bring this out to open up the mouth. And then I'll put in a little tongue right here. And cap it off. And then you need to draw some seeds too, right? So right in the center, let's say about right here. I'm just going to draw all these little raindrop shapes. So maybe just 3 on the top right here. And then, should I put one here? You know what? I'm going to put one here, but if it doesn't look right, I'm going to erase it. Hopefully it won't look like tears. And one more here. There. Okay. And then of course, you can shade it all in, give it a little highlight. There. Okay, and then from there, let's draw some hands. So let's say on this side, we're going to start about right here, and I'm going to go ahead and just bend it down, thicken it up, and then add a little end right here. Then on this side, right about here, I thought it'd be cute to have these hands making a peace sign. So if you want to do that, just bring it out, thicken it up, and then right about here, we're just going to go ahead and draw a thumb, 2 fingers, and another thumb. I mean another finger right here. I kind of muddle it up, but it's supposed to be, you know what, I'll fix it. So it's supposed to be a thumb like this, and then 2 fingers, and then another finger right here. So I'll go in there and erase my mess right there, but hopefully I was able to help you with that finger. And then from there, let's see here, oh, some feet, right? So let's find our center, about right here, go to the left, go to the right, and right here, just bring down 2 slight curves, and then thicken it up. There. And if you like, you could add a sun too. I thought that'd be really cute. So right next to it, say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle. About right here. And I'm just going to put in 2 little beady eyes and a mouth. Right here. And you know what, I think I need to make it bigger. Okay, and then of course some sun, some of the rays coming out. So I'm just going to go around my sun and draw a bunch of these curves. So definitely turn your paper or your body if you need to. And one more. There. And it wouldn't be complete without a heart, right? Because we need the sun and we need the watermelon. There. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this cool watermelon to celebrate summer. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.